Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here though, then what is up? This is going to be another one of my planner hauls. I got a few items from Michael's. A lot of it's clearance. You guys know how I like to do, how I like to buy my items on super sale clearance. Then I got a new planner for 2021, which unfortunately was not on clearance. So I have some things from Michael's. It looks like there might be one or two things from Walmart as well, but we will get on into that. So I'm going to try not to talk too much, but before we get started, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, I hope that you guys choose to so that you guys can see all of my videos that I post from my hauls. I love sharing with you guys what I think is worth spending my money on and giving you my thoughts on the stuff that I purchase. So let's just get on into this haul. So I'm going to move some of these things that are sitting on top. First things first, I managed to find, I was kind of upset about it, but I only found one of the Halloween paper books this year on super clearance. I haven't been to the two other Michaels that are like in my general area though, so I kind of want to go, but they're probably all gone. So I ended up finding this one for literally only $1.99. We all know that these paper books from Recollections Michaels are usually $20. They're the $19.99. But since it was super old, I found this like last week maybe. So it's Halloween. Found it in the end of November, so it was only $1.99. You guys have probably already seen all of these, so I'm just gonna do a quick flip through, and no one cares about Halloween at this point, even though this one's for Dia de los Muertos. My favorite one on here, I just have to show this one. Oh, this one, my absolute favorite. It actually has like a foiling to it, like a holographic sheen, which I'm not really sure if it's gonna be picking up on camera, but it is so nice. Definitely worth $1.99 just for this one page. Well, there's two. Alright. And then like how you guys saw this kind of stacked up as I started the video, I really wanted to get this budget planner to like kind of Franken-plan my everyday desk planner. I do have the Recollections one that I already bought, and I think I showed it in a haul already for my 2021 everything calendar, and that's going to be our planner and the one that I decorate. So I got this budget spiral planner to go with it. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to include the pages in with the other one just yet, so I need to figure that out like ASAP. I really like this one. This one I didn't get on clearance or anything, unfortunately, because I think it's still newer. I don't know. But I got this, I think, with just like a 30% off coupon. But I really like the layout of this. I think I'm going to take like a few pages and add it in there to my everyday planner. But you guys know how these Recollections planners go. You get stickers, you get this folder, and then there's also like the zip pouch. And then it's actually an 18-month financial planner, and so you just get like a little budget thing and the weeks. I'm not really sure what exactly the weeks layout is for. Maybe it's like for purchases each day or spending each day. I'm not sure. I'll figure it out. This is an 18-month calendar, so you get 18 months worth in here, and it's undated, which is awesome. You actually do get a planner. Wait, do you get a full calendar layout on each one? Yeah, and so you actually do get a full calendar layout for each month, and they're undated, which is amazing. So this was definitely worth the money. Definitely suggest picking this up. I love the cover. We'll see how I can add this in. So then after I looked closer at the holiday little planner that I had found on super clearance the other day, or no, maybe not super clearance, but on clearance, I decided that I really wanted another one of these holiday keepsake planner from Recollections. But this year's, the cover of it was so cute. I just like had to have it. It's just got the sticker that I gotta take off. Technically this is supposed to start in October, and then it goes obviously through Christmas, and it's just a little holiday keepsake. So it's just like a journal kind of. You can write down whatever you want each day. But I love how it's got the different sections. So this first section is the calendar section in here, and then you've got your little tab dividers here, and the dashboards for the little tabs are so pretty. This is the budget section, so it's like the holiday budget spot, which I really like the layout of. So you can just mark off how much you spend on stuff. Then you have your list section, which is pretty cool. A few different types of lists. You get your party section. I just think this is so cute, and it's a really nice memory keeping. This one is for recipes. Oh, that dashboard is so cute. And so you would just write all of that down, and then the last section right here is the house and home section. Little notes for getting the house prepared for the holidays. I thought this one was super cute. I do also have the one from last year. I've shown that one before, but here it is. So this is the one from last year. So last year's versus this year, and they're both undated, which is great. I wanted to have a backup just in case I don't get it next year, and I found a few more sticker books when we went to Michael's the other day. You guys know I will never stop buying these Happy Planner sticker books. I don't know why. I have a million of them already. I don't need any more. But when I find them on clearance for like $5, $6, I can't help myself. So I picked up another one of these seasonal stickers because I actually use these a lot. They have some really good ones in here. I'm sure you guys have seen like all of these before. I'm trying to miss all of the light so there isn't so many shadows on it. I had to pick it up. Again, it was on like super clearance, so it was only like $6. So that's why I got it. So I managed to find 2 of these ones. These are the Essential Planning. Again, I only got all of these sticker books because they were on super clearance. They were only like ringing up for like $6, I think. But so this one's really nice. I had my eye on this one for a while, and it's like every time I picked it up and scanned it, it still wasn't actually clearanced out. But finally, they did it. So I picked up 2 of these because the price was just too good. These are one of my favorite finds. Like, I usually try not to really pay attention to the sticker books unless they're on super clearance because I don't really want them for the full price or even with a coupon. But this one is so nice. Like, I feel like I've really been missing out on this recipe one because these stickers are so good. I think I ended up getting one for my mom also, and she was even like really impressed by it. This is still really dark right there. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't show it right here. But, I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen these all before. These are nothing new. They've been out for a while. They are old. But I had to pick up 2 of these because they were only $6. I think it was like 5 something, you know? And then, so kind of like that one, I think I actually found this one first. And then at a different store, I found a ton of those other ones and realized they were on clearance. I only picked up 1 of these. I think I kind of wish I had more at this point, but I don't usually buy the accessory packs because I don't really need the sticky notes that come with it, and I would rather have more pages of stickers. This one was a little bit messed up, especially this first page, but it doesn't really bother me. Or actually, did that one come out of here? I think I might have got one of these for my mom also, and she gave me a page or 2, but I think that one's just messed up, and it is from this one actually. But so yeah, just some more food stuff. 2021, I am going to start getting back into my health and fitness. So, and I'm going to start planning that out with you guys, hopefully. Fingers crossed, I'm really going to try to do that with you guys. Just to stick with like the same similar items, we actually went to Hobby Lobby again, I think just because we were over that way. So I picked up this fitness book. This is actually one that I had been really wanting. I think I just used a Hobby Lobby coupon on this, so I maybe got it like 40% off. So it was a little bit painful, but this was a sticker book that I had really been wanting. And it was like, you guys know I said it already, that I think at Michael's they're not having the wrong collab anymore or something like that, but I couldn't find it anywhere, and so I was so upset about it. And then I found 2 of them at Hobby Lobby, so I just picked up the one. And then back to Happy Planner stickers from Michael's. So with these ones, these are some more of those student and teacher packs, I guess. Again, these aren't exactly my favorite things to pick up, but these were ringing up for only like $1. I don't think I showed these ones yet. I try my best to keep everything kind of separated when I buy them so that I don't get stuff mixed up and like mention them a million times. But so let's see, we've got student, teacher of these little packs. So it's the same. I've shown some of these in hauls already with like different stuff in them, obviously. And that's not showing anything, is it? But kind of hard to show at this angle. Sticker half sheets, sticky notes, and then you get these little decor things, which you guys know I don't really use discs, but I'm going to be using discs for my fitness planner, I think. I'm pretty sure because I got a new one for 2021. I really hope this lighting is okay because I'm sitting right behind the light trying to look at my viewfinder, so I'm not really sure. But so here's the other student one, pretty straightforward, sticky notes, and then your little design cards. Do people actually, or like, what are these, journaling cards to stick into your planner? Do people actually use those? I don't know. I kind of use them not in my planner at all, and just as little like note pages, kind of like I would do like with a sticky note or something for like reminders, or if I want to put a really fast like shopping, like just a few shopping items in my purse, I'll grab one of these just to use them up since I have a ton of them now. Yeah, so I got some of those, and like I said, I guess already they're only ringing up for like $1 or $2. Still from the Michael's clearance section, I managed to find some of these stamps. I love these clear stamps. I don't use them as much as I really should for how many I have, so that's something that I also want to start doing. So it says now it was $4.97. I can't remember if that was actually the price I paid for these. I feel like they were actually a little bit lower. That's why I really got them, but these are nice ones because you get all of the months in the first one, and I'm sorry, I know there's a glare since they're still in the plastic. And then you get your really functional ones, which I feel like I have so many of, but it's always nice to have ones that are slightly different. So I'll have to double check that they are. This one's really nice too, some more functional stuff. I like how you can have a little calendar stamp right there. This one is great. I love this. If you find this pack, highly suggest it. And then this one is just like a few little quote stamps on there, but this one is definitely worth it for the first sheet of them with all of the months. And then this is actually a really good set too. Like I said, I think I paid a little bit less for that one, but I can't really remember. And then I found 2 of these. I feel like these were from 2 different Michaels trips. I really, really like just this one. I'm not really the biggest fan of the stickers by this brand. I don't know why I'm not really loving them. What is this brand even? Chrissy Ann? Yeah, Chrissy Ann Designs. But this one specifically is really good because I love getting the stickers that have the dates. Anything, if you have like months or dates, it's like perfect, like the days of the week, which is what this pack is. Let's see, did I open this one already so I can flip through it a little better? All right, so you get your months, that you get your days of the week, and I like how these feel. I don't know how to explain like the feeling, the texture of these. It's like kind of a soft, but it's like matte at the same time, so it's like slightly like shiny but matte. Ooh, and then you get some pink foil, and then you get like your black lettering, and then you get your silver. So these are such good ones, so that's why I had to get 2 of them. I might have actually still got these for $4.97, but I thought it was worth it. I think these are the last 2 things from Michaels. So I actually found these in line. As you can see, they are just gift card holders. So I picked these up because I figured I could use them to hold sticker sheets. So if you just take out this little section that holds the cards, just like that, or even like sticky notes, because I have a ton of like cloth and paper sticky notes and everything, or like page flags. I figured they would fit perfectly in here, especially for like traveling or whatever. You know, you can fit really nice stuff in there. Another little thing of flags, and everything will fit really nice and cute in there. And then it's got like a little nice design. So these were the only 2 that I picked up. I feel like this is very Christmassy, and then this is just winter. Those up, I can't remember how much they cost. Does this have it on there? $1.99. So now some things from Walmart actually. I don't know how my mom saw this, but it was on like an end cap in an aisle somewhere. But so this is the Bic. It's the 4 colorway pen. It's the one that has like all of the different colors in it that you can switch between. And this one is for their 50th birthday. And it's got a purple in there. I think most of these ones don't have purple, but I'm pretty sure this is the same pen that they give away at Hobonichi. If you order stuff from Hobonichi, they give you like a free pen if you, maybe with every order. I don't know. I don't really use Hobonichis. This, I'm pretty sure is the same pen, but so this way you get all these different colors in here. And this time it has a purple one to celebrate the 50th anniversary or the 50th birthday. My mom actually grabbed me another one the last time she went to Walmart, so now I have 2. Last things from Walmart I will just include all together because I love them so much. I feel like it wasn't there before. We had placed an order. I might have shown this already in a haul, but we ended up getting these from Amazon, me and my mom, and then we shared them because I remember seeing everyone have these in their planners when they started like sending them out to people. These really pretty Avery tab glitter dividers, and I wanted them so badly, so I ordered just a few from Amazon, but then we managed to find all of these new ones just the other day at Walmart. They finally popped up there. So these are all the ones that we got. I love the silver pack. I actually already opened this up and already started adding some of these silver ones to my planner, and I think some of these as well. But so we got like all the different colorways. I'm not really sure what this lighting is looking like right now. I really hope the lighting is okay. But like from what I can see, I feel like it's terrible. But it makes no sense because there's a million lights sitting here. So that is everything from this little clearance sale planner haul. I love sharing these with you guys to show you guys what I find on clearance, and hopefully you guys can go out if you are interested in any of these items and find them for the same price that I found them at, or even better, even lower price. I do need to run back to Michaels again. I know I'm like an insane person because I want to see if they have more of those sticker books marked down or like different ones marked down on clearance. And what else did I say I was looking for? Oh, more of the Halloween books, but I don't think I'm gonna find anymore. But so yeah, so that is everything for this haul. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have found any of these items at all, or if you use any of them, or if you're maybe still on the hunt for some. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you want to see some more of my hauls, my planner hauls. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are not, and hit the little bell notification so that YouTube can alert you every time I post new videos, new hauls, so that you guys don't miss out on anything. But again, muchísimas gracias for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.